Conditional statements in Python, such as if, else, and elif, allow for dynamic decision-making in code. They enable executing specific code blocks based on conditions. Nested conditions further refine logic, allowing for complex decision trees. Mastering these constructs is essential for creating intelligent, responsive programs that adapt to varying inputs and scenarios. Control flow is essential for directing program execution based on conditions. It allows decision-making by executing code blocks only when specific conditions are met. We'll explore mastering if-else, elif statements, and nested conditions with practical examples, enhancing your ability to create intelligent, dynamic programs. The if statement is the simplest form of conditional logic in Python. It executes a code block only when a specified condition evaluates to true. Ensure the condition is a Boolean expression, and the code block is properly indented. For example, if age is 18 or more, the program prints "you can vote" and registration open. The if-else statement offers dual execution paths, ensuring action regardless of condition outcome. For instance, if temperature exceeds 20, it suggests wearing light clothes. Otherwise, it advises a jacket. This structure guarantees a response for both true and false conditions, enhancing decision-making in programming. The elif statement enables evaluating multiple conditions sequentially, executing the first true condition. For instance, with a score of 75, the program assigns a grade of C. This approach allows for efficient decision-making by checking conditions in a top-to-bottom manner, ensuring the first matching condition is executed. Nested conditions allow for multi-level decision-making by placing if statements within others. For example, if age is 18 or older, check if the person has a license. If both are true, they can drive and rent a car. Otherwise, they need a license. This structure enables complex logic handling.